Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then let's go to device unlock and tap on fingerprint. We have to confirm everything with our screen lock if we've got one, and then tap on more, and I agree. So here we've got the instructions how to set up the fingerprint, so just tap on start. This is the fingerprint sensor, just put our finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Alright, we did it, so just tap on done. No, we don't want to, at least now, use the face to unlock. Let's tap on fingerprint to check the available options. So here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. This is our fingerprint, we can rename it or remove it, it's up to you. And we can check enrolled fingerprint, so if you've got more than one fingerprint added, you can simply check it and, for example, rename it accordingly. And here you can, I don't know what's that. When you're using, you can optimize for screen protector. Oh, right, so you can optimize fingerprint unlock if you're using the screen protector, so I highly recommend to turn it on, obviously if you're using the one. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to lock the device and check if it is working. So I do not see the fingerprint sensor here, but it is right here after unlocking. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.